you guys? Oops, let me back out. How you guys doing? Happy New Year. Thank you all my current subscribers. We're back at it again. Welcome back to the Flavor for the Soul channel. I am Mike, and we're back on the Infiniti Q45, aka G50. It's raining out here in Northern California, or the East Bay Area, and yeah, well, it's been raining, but it was raining all night. I thought I wouldn't be able to do this, so since I had time, I decided to try and knock out a video and knock out this project I've been trying to do for the last couple weeks. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the pigtail on your MAF sensor. So if you have symptoms like black smoke coming out of your exhaust muffler, bad fuel economy, recently my issue was basically after I did the whole plenum job, my car was just shutting off, and I kept getting a check engine light, and it was basically this thing, because once I maneuvered the connector, it started working right finally. But usually these start getting brittle on the inside, the connectors start loosening, and sometimes they do get corroded. So what I'm going to do is replace this. So I'll start taking this apart. How to take this apart, but it's pretty simple. You just knock these clips off right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and that'll loosen it. You're going to want to take the connector off, and what you do is just take like a screwdriver, pull those to the side on the pins, and just yank that off, and then take a flathead screwdriver, loosen this, and then it should all just come out. So I'll get to that. So what's up, you guys? I finally took the MAF off my car. Ended up kind of damaging the intake. The intake tube, so I might have to get a replacement somewhere, but it's just a little bit, it's not even that bad, so it's kind of annoying, but it just shows these 30-year-old cars, they're just like, you know, things deteriorate. So yeah, I was trying to use this. I got this inside of it and like tried to get around the seal, but that hasn't been removed in a while, because I think the last time I took that apart, I took it apart from there and then just took the entire piece out. So yep, and now I'll show you guys how to do this. So this one I'm gonna clean. This is in this is like a refurbished one I got a long time ago, from like AutoZone. It's like 150 bucks, 200 bucks, something like that. But I'm gonna clean this one, and you can see the scratches right there. But I'm gonna clean this one, and I'll work on modifying that. But I'm gonna show you guys a pigtail right here, and I don't know. Yeah, here's a part number. I don't know if you guys purchased off eBay, but that's the part number. Not sure if you guys want to go this route, but this is just a throttle position sensor pigtail, and it's kind of the same as the one for the MAF. However, you're gonna have to do a little modification. Of course, you're gonna have to solder this in to the vehicle's harness, and then what you do, which I've already done with this one. This is one that I had from the junkyard, but I've already done it with that. But if you look at the connector, so you have this, so you know that centerpiece with the connections, it's a little too wide to go in here. So I suggest not modifying the actual pigtail, but if you see those two notches right there, you want to shave those down flat. and I've already done it with this one. I'm not gonna do like some like crazy like time lapse, but you can see that one shaved off and that one isn't shaved off. So there you can see the difference in both. But all I used was a razor like this, and then I used like a small file, and I use like a flathead screwdriver. But the razor works real well, and you just gotta work it. Just be very careful, don't hurt yourself while doing it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install, jeez, stupid phones. But what I'm gonna do is install this one. I think this one works, and I've already cleaned it as well, but I'm gonna install this one and then we'll solder in the new pigtail. So I got the jacket off the original wire. It's really brittle and stiff, so that's the color code right there. If you guys can see it. So you just gotta follow that with the position of the new one. That one looks white and black, center is black, and that one is like orangey or all white. So I'm trying to cut this open, but all this stuff is just so hard. So I'm gonna start cutting it open some more, and I'm gonna try to get into the wiring. So color scheme is gonna have to go like this, you guys. It's gonna go blue to white, black to black, and then orange to the white black wire. And I'm gonna probably just, so you guys, I cut a good length out of this wire. The black and white wires, they had corrosion in them, and they still kind of do. So what I'm gonna do is just throw some electronic cleaner, solder all this stuff up, and then just tie it up real good. But yeah, I cut a good amount off. That's the orientation right there. So remember that one. And I'm gonna get some heat shrink going on this. Also, just remember to unplug your negative battery cable. You don't want no electrical currents running through this while you're working or soldering onto your automobile. So I'll see you on the next scene. So what's up, you guys? I just finished soldering the connectors in. Now what I'm going to do is heat shrink these and make sure they cover those real well too, because those I was using the helping hands and they were biting right into the wire. So I'm going to tape that up real good, and I'll start buttoning up everything with heat shrink. have it, guys. Got it all in. Now we're gonna now I'll install the airbox and the MAF, and then we'll start it right up and see how it is. So hopefully it works. So what's up, you guys? I just finished installing the connector and putting together the entire airbox, MAF to the pipe, intake pipe. Got my battery on, and now it's time to start it. So hopefully we did a good job. I'm gonna go check it out right now. And time to start it. On. I'm not quite sure if that MAF is a good one or not, but I think it is. A lot more calm, and I think it's good. No check engine light or anything. I had to tighten up some fuel lines to the right, where the fuel filter was, or is. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this content, if this helped, subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, follow me on all my social media. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for checking out this video and watching it till the end. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I want you guys to follow me on all my social media. If you like cool vintage things, check out anotherretrothing.com for all your vintage needs. This is the Flavor for the Soul channel. I'm Mike. I'm out. Peace. Holla.